welcome. I'm going to try to install the first piece. I'm doing the hardest one first, because that's how I roll. Get the hard ones done and then the easier ones come later. So let me show you my joint. Here's how it turned out. After sanding it, actually, I can even almost hardly feel it. So once it's primed and painted, that should be, well, no one will be able to find the seam. Also, I'm using these clips, and basically just hang on a screw, and they're going to help hold the crown in for me, because I'm working by myself. It's just me pretty much every day. By the way, I have marked lines on the ceiling and the wall, where my index lines, where I installed the crown, and I made this little jig. Arrow is up. I'll place it against the ceiling. Say this is the wall ceiling. I'll place it in the corner, and I can mark my line here real quick without having to get the tape measure out and measure. So those lines are already marked. I think I'm a little too long. So let's pull it down.